All right, this is one of those LED light bulbs that you pay quite a bit more for than you would a regular light bulb because they're supposed to last several years. I've had this one maximum of 6 months. It has already gone out on me. It's in a room that maybe gets an hour, 2 hours at most use a day. And like I said, this one's gone out. I've got at least 2 more that's trying to go out on me. I'm gonna cut this one open and just look inside and see what's in it. All right, I cut the top off. I was wanting to see if there's any corrosion, or maybe got moisture in it or something. But the top part here looks fine. I'm gonna see if I can't get down below this. So maybe there's a circuit board down there. But like I said, it didn't last very long. Not worth the money. I won't buy these again. Okay, I got it apart. Just a little aluminum housing looks like. And here, nothing looks like it's wet or corroded or anything. I don't know if you can see in there. I don't know. I don't know what goes out on it, but it ain't worth the money. I mean, didn't last me very long. Old style light bulbs last longer than this thing did, and they're a lot cheaper. The fluorescent bulbs last longer. So I'm gonna start buying fluorescent again compared to these, or maybe try a different brand because these didn't work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.